Welcome guys, so today I am with Sony WI-C200 wireless earphones and I'm going to show you how easy you can pair them with your Windows PC, laptop. Just take a look. At the first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50% before the pairing, and another step is to click and hold the power button until this indicator on the front starts blinking on the blue. So let's make it, click and hold it. Keep holding, and right now we can release. So put them back, then go to your laptop. Simply we have to open this settings on our laptop, then we have to go for the Bluetooth and devices, enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher, click to add a device and click for Bluetooth. Now just wait until our earphones appears on the list. Just be patient. For sure, keep them close to your laptop. If they are not going to pop on the list after a few seconds, like 10 seconds, we are going to remove this list and power on, power off and power on the Bluetooth back. Sometimes it happens. Okay, so I think it's time to power off the Bluetooth on the laptop, because as you can see currently they are blinking, they are in the pairing mode. I can even show you on my private smartphone that they will probably on the Bluetooth list. So the problem is only with, as you can see, they are right here on my phone. So the problem is only with the laptop connection. So yeah, just go back. Oh wait, that's a few additional devices. Maybe scroll down. Okay, as you can see, after a few seconds they right now appears. But if you have a problem, just turn off the Bluetooth and turn it on back. It will work definitely. I just tried with a lot of different devices. So finally select your WI-C200 by tapping on the left mouse button, and as you can see right now we are connected. So that was very simple. As you can see, the last thing that you can make, just go back, and will be definitely useful for you. So go back, go for the sound, and right here just be sure that both microphone and this speaker, it's switched to our external device. As you can see, it's not actually switch for the microphone, so we can select here. And right now when you are going to use this earphones, for example on the Skype or Discord or any other device where you have to use the microphone, it will take sound of your voice from here, from this device, not from your internal microphone. So that's how we can make this change. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.